Welcome traders. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated trade execution using the trading strategy from our partner, Sferica Trading. Sferica offers high-quality trading strategies for BTC and various altcoins across multiple timeframes, as you can see here. This tutorial will guide you through the process of automatically executing these signals using TV Hub. To get started, we need to create a trade command. Let's head over to TV Hub and choose the exchange we want to trade on. I'll go with Bybit for this example. I begin by selecting the trading pair. We'll make this fully dynamic later. Next, I define the trade size, which can be set as an absolute value, a percentage of my balance, or a risk-based value. You can also trade with a fixed amount in the quote currency, such as USDT, by entering the desired value in the cost field and enabling the checkbox below. I'll use a risk value of 2% per trade, based on my account balance. Now I activate the stop-loss option and ensure that Use Absolute Value is selected. Later, we'll ensure that the exact stop-loss price is automatically taken from the strategy during runtime. Next, I enable a Take Profit step, again selecting Use Absolute Value, and set the trade to exit 100% of the position at this Take Profit level. The exact Take Profit price will also be determined dynamically by the strategy. To ensure the automation works seamlessly, I enable Strategy Alerts and check the option Close Current Position. Once everything is set, I click Generate and copy the trade command. Now I open a text editor. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code, and format the JSON trade command for better readability. To make the command fully dynamic, I replace the trading pair with the ticker placeholder. Additionally, I manually add 2 lines for the stop-loss price and take profit price. These ensure that the executed order will use the exact stop-loss and take profit levels provided by the strategy. No worries about the JSON syntax highlighting, the command will work just fine. First, I add the stop-loss expression, then the take profit expression. For reference, you'll find the complete trade command in the video description box. Now let's copy the trade command and head over to TradingView. To create the strategy alert, I open the Alerts sidebar, click on the plus icon, and paste the trade command into the input message field. You can ignore the warning about the JSON syntax. During runtime, the command will be executed without any issues. Before finalizing, I ensure that webhooks are enabled in the Notification tab. As an extra precaution, I also enable email alerts as a backup by selecting Send Plain Text. Now I hit Create. That's it! Your automated trading setup with Sferica and TV Hub is complete. This trade command can be reused for all other Sferica trading strategies, making it easy to automate multiple signals with a single setup. Happy trading!